welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you two super easy hairstyles that you can create using fishtail braids. For that I'm gonna first split my hair into two equal sections and tie them into two low ponytails. Next I'm gonna take one of the ponytails and split that into two equal sections and start by doing a regular fishtail braid. And with the other ponytail I'm gonna create another fishtail braid. Continue braiding until you reach till the ends of your hair and then secure them using some hair ties. And to create the hairstyle also you will need some hairpins and bobby pins, so keep them nearby. So here I have made two fishtail braids and I'm just fluffing them out a bit. Next I'm gonna take one of the braids and I'm gonna start securing it along my scalp with some hairpins, and I'm gonna secure the braid in a zigzag pattern so there is room for both the braids on my scalp. And place the hairpins as you secure the braid along your scalp, and remember that the ends would be in the middle, so wrap the braid around and place the ends of your hair in the middle and secure them using some hairpins or bobby pins. Next take the second braid and secure it alongside the first one. Feel free to throw in as much hairpins as you feel needed. Here I needed some more hairpins, as you can see that the ends were sticking out, but I couldn't see what was happening at the back of my head. And remember that the ends go in the middle. And here how the updo would look like. It looks really complicated but isn't actually. So this was the first hairstyle, takes less than 5 minutes if you can do the braid quickly. For the next hairstyle, make 3 fishtail braids and start braiding them as you would braid a 3-strand braid using 3 of those fishtail braids. And when you reach to the ends, secure them and you will have a 3-strand fishtail braid. So this is the second hairstyle. So that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked these hairstyles and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.